In this video, I'll take you through the entire process of creating a stunning stained glass butterfly mosaic, from the initial concept to the final details. This piece was specially commissioned, making it even more exciting to bring to life. I'll start with a digital sketch on my iPad, then shape and prepare the substrate before carefully cutting and arranging each piece of stained glass. You'll see how I transform this design with vibrant colors, intricate details, and a beautiful background. Stay tuned to watch the transformation unfold. Let's get started. Every mosaic begins with a strong foundation. To plan out this design, I started by sketching my concept on my iPad using Procreate. This step helps me refine the shapes, colors, and layout before moving on to the next stage. With the design finalized, it's time to bring the butterfly shape to life. I cut the substrate to match the outline of the wings, creating a sturdy base for the mosaic. To ensure the colors pop and the glass adheres well, I paint the entire substrate white. Once it dries, I carefully transfer my design onto the surface, marking where each piece will go. Now it's time to cut the stained glass. I carefully shape each piece to fit the design using a glass cutter, then smooth the edges with a grinder. This ensures a precise and polished look. If you're enjoying this process and finding it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more mosaic art tutorials and behind-the-scenes creations. Also, if you'd like to try this project yourself, you can download the template. Check the description below for instructions. Plus, I've included a full list of materials used in this project, so you can easily gather everything you need. For intricate shapes with tight angles or cuts that are impossible to achieve with a glass cutter, I sometimes use a ring saw for more precision. Before placing any glass, I attach the hanging hardware to the back. This is an important step because adding hangers after the mosaic is complete can be tricky. With all the glass pieces ready, I begin gluing them onto the substrate. I work carefully to follow my design, adjusting as needed to make sure everything fits perfectly. Depth and texture, I fill the background with small pebbles. This step enhances the mosaic and creates a beautifully detailed and dynamic effect. Once all the pieces are securely in place, it's time to grout. I spread the grout evenly across the surface, filling in the gaps and sealing everything together. After wiping away the excess, the details start to shine. To complete the piece, I paint the border black for a clean polished look. I also add my signature to the back, and of course no butterfly is complete without its delicate antlers. With that, this commissioned mosaic is officially finished. This butterfly mosaic was such a joy to create, and I loved bringing this commissioned piece to life. Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you'd like to see more mosaics like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mosaic art content. Thanks for watching.